When you legally own and carry, it's called open carry or concealed carry. Open carry requires no permit or training, although I recommend a concealed carry class even for open carry. Open carry just means you carry the gun in a way that everyone can see it. There are strict, specific guidelines as to what concealed carry owners can and cannot do. Just because you have a permit to carry does not mean it's the wild, wild west. You could still be charged with a concealed carry violation. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to outline what the North Carolina law says about concealed carry violations. I'm Sean P. Keenan, a North Carolina criminal defense attorney, and I practice in Jones, Lenoir, and Greene counties. In this video, I'm going to guide you through what North Carolina law says about concealed carry so you know what you can and cannot do. The law states that concealed carry is willfully and intentionally carrying a handgun not visible to the public and off the owner's property. A violation of this can potentially cause you to serve 60 days in the county jail on the first offense and up to 39 months in prison for a second and subsequent conviction. This means with a concealed carry permit, you're allowed to carry anywhere not prohibited by law, concealed on your person or in your vehicle, and used in self-defense or defense of others. Here's what you cannot do with a concealed carry permit that would be considered a violation. You cannot use a weapon to defend property. You can only defend people. You cannot go onto federal or state property. You cannot go anywhere that it is posted no concealed carry. And under no circumstance should you ever take a gun onto a school campus, whether you have a concealed carry permit or you're open carrying. If you are found guilty of violating a concealed carry law because you do not have a permit, you could face up to 60 days in the county jail and forfeiture of the gun. Here are a few ways you can defend this charge. First, you could cooperate fully and plead guilty. The pros to this are you're more likely to get a probationary sentence on the first offense. The cons are you forfeit the gun. If it belongs to someone else, they can petition the court to have it returned to them. Also, you will be able to lawfully possess a gun in the future, but you will likely never be granted a concealed carry permit. Another option is you can go to trial. You could plead not guilty and take the case before the court. Pros to this are you could be found not guilty because you're able to prove the gun was not concealed or the government violated your rights in the process. The cons are you have less control over the outcome, and if you are convicted, you could face an active sentence. If you're ever charged a second time after a first conviction, it is a Class H felony. That can land you in prison. People ask me, should I get a court-appointed attorney or retain counsel? If you get a public defense attorney, there are pros and cons. The pros are it costs a lot less and you only pay if you're found guilty or plead guilty. But the cons are you don't get to pick your own attorney. I won't say that a court-appointed attorney won't work as hard for you as a retained attorney, but some attorneys are more experienced than others. And if you retain an attorney, you want to retain one that has experience in cases like yours. If you hire a private attorney, there's pros and cons there as well. The pros are you can choose who represents you, who has time to sit and listen to your side of the story and dedicate the time necessary to making sure you get the best representation possible. But the cons are you have to pay your attorney. It can be quite expensive, but it's worth it. I create free videos like this so I can help people further understand how to navigate the criminal justice system and not get lost in the mess that it is. If you or someone you know has been charged with a crime, contact our office. Schedule a consult, and I'll spend valuable time going through your situation and letting you know what you can do free of charge. Your case is my mission. Get a Marine to fight for you.